My name is DelaGardelle, and for the past 15 years, I've been learning and working within the craft of European-styled swordsmithing. I've been inspired by my love of creation, history, myth, and epic heroism, and I grew up on a healthy diet of Beowulf, Bunyan, Lewis, and Tolkien as a boy. Those same things still fuel my imagination today. I've been working full-time professionally in this craft since 2009, and in the years since then, I have been so blessed to find thousands of people who share that same love of art and history. I've found that while many of these people dreamt of owning one of my custom blades, most have had a passion to learn the craft for themselves. And so with that in mind, I recently took a huge leap of faith. I sacrificed the security I had in taking custom orders in order to pursue the goals of both making original swords that I've dreamt of crafting for years, but also to finally teach this craft that I love so much to as many people as possible. This is a huge risk on my part though, as my work has put food on the table for my family over the years. But now as a father and as a husband, I am passionate about not only selling my work, but more importantly, sharing the knowledge that I've been blessed to learn. While I love teaching in person, the opportunity of teaching my trade online opens doors that are almost limitless. And that's why I'm really excited about launching my Patreon page. Patreon is an easy way for people to support their favorite artists and creative makers on a monthly basis. Patreon's main strength, though, is that it allows artists to give back to their fans in some really awesome ways. By joining with me on Patreon, you'll have access to things such as behind-the-scenes views of my work on a regular basis, training and real-time interaction with me through live video while I teach and work in my shop, and the ability to collaborate with me, giving your own ideas and insight on how I should design and craft my swords, knives, and original artwork, as well as so many other incredible things as this community grows. Through my work with you here on Patreon, I want to breathe new life into old forgotten stories, as well as some stories that have never been told before. I want to craft tangible, symbolic artifacts that inspire honor, strength, courage, and hope in the human heart. And even if you have no interest in forging custom blades of your own, I still hope for this community to be a resource and an enjoyable benefit to those who have a love for art and history, as well as being a place for those who want to help artists like myself keep unique skills alive like mythopoetic swordsmithing. I'm a creative person who thrives on interaction and feedback of ideas. And Patreon finally gives me a chance to invite people to truly become a part of Cedarlore Forge with me. In doing so, I'll be able to collaborate and connect with the people who enjoy my work the most. I cannot do my craft to my full potential without your help. And I'm thrilled to finally have a way to fully share the entirety of my work with more people than ever. Forging well-made, fully functional knives and swords is an unbelievably challenging task that often entails literal blood, sweat, and tears. But it's also far too fun and rewarding of a craft to experience alone. And that's why I am so excited to partner with you and invite you into the journey of learning this epic and rewarding art form together.